How to sell a used ripper. When it comes to selling a used ripper, the best place to do this is on AgriMag. It's advised that sellers provide as much information as possible about the ripper being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your ripper on AgriMag. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should include the following information in their product listing descriptions. Explain the reason for the sale of the ripper. Provide information regarding its past working life. Detail its current working condition with reference to the ripper frame, the rigidity of the shanks, the shear bolts, the hitching system, and finally, the general condition of the unit. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on AgriMag. Visit agrimag.co.za, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.